So I will show you how to use widget to improve the Databricks performance. Here I created a drop-down widget where I have given the name for widget is enable cache and the default value is no, the list is yes or no, enable cache is a symbol. When you run this, so a widget will be created. You see that the widget label is enable cache and default value is no. Then if you want to read the value into a variable enable cache, you need to use dbutils widgets.get. When you run this, so the value, whatever is the current value that is available in enable cache. So now if you, this is the PySpark logic with the sample data and sample columns, a data frame is created. So data frame, it is generated. Now if enable cache and lower means with a lower case, if it is equal to YSS, then a cache will be created for the data frame. Otherwise, it will go to else part and skipping cache to avoid unnecessary memory usage. Suppose if I run this, so you can see that in the output, I got skipping cache to avoid unnecessary memory usage. Why? Because it is no. Suppose if I set it to as, so you no need to run this part. This usually will run in the utilities separate notebook. Here in this, if you do enable cache, you need to get a new value now. Now we get a S value. So we will see what happens here. So you got a data frame is already created. So it is not an issue. Then if you run this video, why you are getting error is it went inside, means it is trying to create a cache for your data frame, but it is a serverless computing, so it is cache is not supported. If it is a not serverless, definitely your data frame will be cached. So this is how you can use this widgets dynamically in your coding. Whenever required, you can off or you can make it on. This type of conditions you can use it in your coding.